Hi, it's TheProdigalFish, and I'm back for Back4Blood, Left4dead Series, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and clear this door out. Oh, I do enjoy the door clearing.
Barrel attachment. What are you waiting for? An invitation?
Sure.
I'll be taking that.
Time to see if they made any changes since last time. Alright, he's dead.
SMG.
Amazing how many of these guys are just out in the middle of nowhere. Slow little one.
Why did Hoffman want to come on this run so bad?
Don't even want to speculate what goes on inside his head.
Oh, you're not trash about Hoffman, that's pretty smart. I mean, nice little double barrel. I think it kind of sucks that I fired both barrels at one time. Well, I mean, I like the game so far, but they need some work. Like, I like the whole trauma damage. So what we got here for me?
That'll do.
Poor guy. Really do need me like a pistol. Oops, need to save that.
Cutting cross country will save you time on foot. Here's hoping you can drive back with Pelissaro and the rest of his team.
Maybe. Unless they're all dead. I wonder if headshots are just the only. You can do body shots with it. Alright. Seems like they made him less runny and more walky.
Look, over there.
Oh, they throw Molotovs too? Alright. Dude, that's broken.
Engage. Assault rifle here.
Me personally, I don't think that
I'll
they should
take
have
it.
different upgraded tiers to weapons. It should be like just like Left4Dead. One weapon. Oh, I say this.
SMG here.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my, where's it at? Use this.
Assault rifle.
Alright, kiddos. Really, I need to, I think the aim assist is a little too strong in this game.
What's that?
Ooh, H12.
I need to tell you, I need to hear myself say it. When the collapse came, I saw it happen, and I did.
I'm pretty sure, Holly, at this point, everybody saw the collapse happen.
So scared. None of us knew what was happening back then, sweetheart.
No.
She's nicer than me.
My parents. I watched them die and did nothing. Worse, I ran.
You didn't know what was happening.
I don't think you can do anything specifically, you know?
You saved yourself. If you'd done anything more, you probably wouldn't be here today.
We were in family.
Alright, big boy.
I wish we could have been.
Ow. Deal with that. See, that is BS.
Oh no, you don't.
Alright, chopping him. I would do like that chopping him over. Okay.
Looks as bad as it smells.
Alright. Oh, there they are. Pustules. Alright, kids. Let's take this fight outside. Where's the big boy at? need to go away.
Cover me. Wanna get your ass back?
Alright, Rico, go boom. Some reload going on. Big boy. Didn't I have a different weapon?
Keeping that for me.
Here.
There's something big over there, somewhere. Where are you, little... Oh, there you are. Hi. What's this? Flashbang? Go ahead and take me some
Need to fix
medicine.
this up. Wait up. Gotta stick a band-aid on this.
Trying to find out where these other nodes are at. How's it going? Alright, is there a different gun up here?
Be needing this.
Toolkit.
Oh! What are you, a politician? Stun gun. I usually prefer my bat to keep numbers away, but it's always good to have a
I
backup.
see something.
We got,
Over
gas
there.
mat, give me some medicine. The pipe bomb. Alright, good. No more,
Dude, the change of fortune.
Flashbang here.
alright, find out where the second one is at. Right behind it. I wonder if that field tank will blow up. Nope.
You see it?
Alright kids, let's figure this out. Go back to the front door, open the bridge. Not enough tension if you ask me. I don't like this A12. It's not that it's a bad shotgun, it's just not me. And clearly this revolver is a joke. Oh god. Alright kids, ready to fight. Oh Angelo, I don't know why you were doing this. Some reload going on. Just burns through all the ammo. That's it, no more PP. Oh, you little sneaky little double. Need a different gun. Something with more.
I'll take it.
That works.
Need ammo any minute.
Less work actually. Sweet, I think I see a orange box. Stop screaming. I'm trying to do stuff here. Please be a gun, please be a gun, please be a gun. Not a gun, but we'll take it.
Stun gun. Still got it.
How many rounds has revolver got? Sheesh. There we go, finally. I just don't like suppressors on revolvers. Only one I've ever liked that was on Metro. The Metro
This
series.
way.
They felt practical. You can't really sneak around these guys. Ooh, something big in there. you a damn sleeper, hun.
Let's see what's in here.
I don't know what that was.
You
I don't
need
want to think
this.
about it. Necesito un arma. Pistola. Oh, that one was talking. I think it fell off a chair and died. Alright, easy day. Just gotta reload.
Not my weapon.
There we go. At least this one feels like when I fire, I'm firing an actual shotgun.
Let's hustle, people.
There we go. Sleepers in there. Damn, it's only top half exists. Hello?
You're welcome. But would you mind keeping that door closed?
Knew we could do it.
It's that crazy lady that thinks her man's still alive.
Want to get your asses in here?
You gotta get in here, Walker, my boy. Thank you.
You want Rick in
Easy.
here? This